Shopping for a toilet seat isn't glamorous, but a bad one, you'll notice it every single day. Whether you're finishing a bathroom renovation or just replacing a cracked old seat, the right choice makes a real difference in comfort, hygiene, and style. We've tested and reviewed the top options on the market, so you don't have to guess. Let's get into the best toilet seats available right now. Links are in the description below. Tired of toilet seats that slide, stick, and collect grime in unreachable corners?
The Kohler Cachet ReadyLatch is the top-selling soft-close toilet seat in its Amazon category, and two standout features explain why it outsells the competition.
Most soft-close seats require a screwdriver or awkward underbowl fumbling just to lift them off for cleaning. The ReadyLatch hinge changes that entirely. One press releases the seat, one click locks it back in place. No tools, no struggling, no buildup in corners you simply can't reach with the seat attached.
The second differentiator is the grip-tight bumper system. Ordinary bumpers only cushion the seat against the bowl. They do nothing about sideways drift. The grip-tight bumpers grip the bowl's surface directly, keeping the seat locked in position even under shifting body weight. If you've ever had to nudge a seat back into alignment mid-use, you'll immediately appreciate this.
Rounding things out, the quiet close lid uses a hydraulic hinge that slows the descent automatically. No slamming, no matter how forcefully it's pushed. Installation is top mount, screwdriver only, and most buyers are done in under 10 minutes. Backed by over 10,000 verified Amazon reviews and a 4.7-star average, the Kohler Cachet ReadyLatch is the practical mid-range pick for homeowners who want a trusted brand, effortless cleaning, and a seat that actually stays put.
What if your toilet seat could eliminate cold morning shock and midnight light disruptions at the same time?
The Brondell LumaWarm L60EW is the only seat on this list that plugs in, and that single power connection delivers two genuinely useful features that no standard seat can replicate: a heated surface and a built-in nightlight. The seat heats to 3 selectable temperature settings: 97, 100, or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. At the lowest setting, the surface is comfortably warm without feeling intense. At the highest, it delivers noticeable, sustained warmth that makes a real difference in cold bathrooms or during winter months. For elderly users, anyone with circulation issues, or anyone who simply finds a freezing seat genuinely unpleasant first thing in the morning, this isn't a novelty, it's a practical daily improvement.
The blue LED nightlight runs along the inner rim and casts a soft glow over the bowl area. The purpose is simple: nighttime bathroom visits without switching on the overhead light, which disrupts sleep recovery and wakes anyone else sharing the space. The nightlight operates completely independently from the heat function, so either can run without the other. Both features are controlled through a side-mounted panel built directly into the seat. There is no remote to lose and no app to set up. Installation requires nothing beyond a standard GFCI outlet within reach of the 4-foot power cord.
The Brondell LumaWarm is the practical choice for homeowners caring for elderly family members, users with cold sensitivity, or anyone who wants heated seat comfort without investing in a full bidet system.
Want a toilet seat that actually feels warm, solid, and built to last for years?
If you've ever sat down on a plastic toilet seat on a cold winter morning, you already understand exactly why the Bemis 1500 EC exists. This seat is constructed from molded wood, not plastic, finished with multiple coats of high-gloss enamel. The difference isn't subtle. Wood conducts heat far less efficiently than plastic, meaning it never develops that uncomfortable cold sensation in unheated bathrooms during winter months. The enamel finish adds durability that painted or printed plastic surfaces simply can't match, resisting chipping, scratching, and surface staining through years of daily use.
Bemis isn't a newcomer riding a trend. They've been manufacturing toilet seats continuously since 1901, making them the largest toilet seat manufacturer in the world. The 1500 EC is their flagship enameled wood model and one of their longest-running designs. That kind of staying power only happens when a product consistently delivers on its promises across decades of real-world use.
Maintenance is handled through the Easy Clean and Change hinge system, which removes with a simple twist and no screwdriver required, giving you full access to the hinge area for proper cleaning. Non-corrosive top-tightening bolts protect against rust at the mounting points even after years of bathroom humidity exposure. The seat is also manufactured in the USA.
For homeowners who want a warmer feel underfoot, a more premium material, and a product backed by over a century of manufacturing expertise, the Bemis 1500 EC is the clear choice on this list.
Want Kohler quality in a soft-close toilet seat without paying a premium price? The Kohler Brevia is the most affordable entry point into Kohler's toilet seat lineup, and it brings the two features that make upgrading a toilet seat worthwhile in the first place: a soft-close lid and quick-release hinges. With over 12,000 verified Amazon reviews at a consistently high rating, the Brevia ranks among the most purchased toilet seats in the entire category. That kind of review volume across diverse buyers, toilet brands, and bathroom setups is a reliable signal that this seat performs as described in real-world conditions, not just ideal ones. The quiet close lid uses the same hydraulic hinge mechanism found in Kohler's higher-priced Cachet model, slowing the lid to a controlled, silent close no matter how it's released. The quick-release hinges allow the seat to lift completely free from the bowl in seconds without any tools, giving full access to the hinge area where grime typically accumulates. The grip-tight bumpers keep the seat anchored against the bowl rim, preventing the gradual sideways drift that develops in standard seats under daily use. The plastic construction is chip, stain, and fade resistant. At this price point, plastic is the honest trade-off compared to the Cachet's more contoured build or the Bemis's enameled wood surface. For buyers whose priority is dependable, soft close function and effortless cleaning access rather than premium materials, the Brevia delivers both without the added cost. The Kohler Brevia is the practical first choice for renters, first-time buyers, and homeowners who simply want proven performance at the lowest reasonable price. Looking for a soft-close toilet seat that stays firmly in place without costing a fortune?
The Mayfair Caswell tackles the two most frustrating reasons people replace a toilet seat: a slamming lid and a hinge that gradually works itself loose, and it solves both at one of the lowest price points on this list.
The Whisper Close hinge uses a hydraulic damper that takes control the moment the lid begins to descend. Drop it carelessly, let a child slam it, push it down hard. The hinge absorbs the force and brings the lid to a quiet, controlled close every time. For anyone with a bedroom sharing a wall with the bathroom, or a household full of kids who never close anything gently, that daily silence is worth the price of the seat alone. The Stay Tight fastening system addresses the loosening problem directly. Standard mounting bolts hold through friction and need periodic retightening as they gradually shift. Stay Tight uses a mechanical locking mechanism that anchors the seat permanently to the bowl. Once set correctly, it doesn't move, drift, or require future adjustment.
The brushed nickel hinges are coated to resist tarnishing and corrosion, a practical upgrade over standard chrome-plated hardware that commonly discolors within a year or two of humidity exposure. The seat is manufactured in the USA by Bemis, the established parent company behind the Mayfair brand.
For budget-conscious buyers who want reliable, soft-close function and a hinge that never loosens, the Mayfair Caswell is the strongest value option on this list. And that wraps up our picks for the best toilet seats on the market. Whether you're after a soft close lid, easy cleaning, or just a solid upgrade for your bathroom, there's an option on this list for every home and budget. All the products we covered today are linked in the description box below, so go check those out. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews.